We are the gate. Put it there somewhere.
The situation is critical. We must act now. Prepare all systems for immediate deployment. To see if they could protect the body metropolis when it needed them the most.
Hear me and rejoice! The era of Elisio do Victoire! We will rust your cells. We will cause inflammation. Attack the bloodstream avenue!
The body is under attack by oxidative stress. It is time to initiate the Superfood protocol. Need a quick rescue? I bring instant potassium energy to stop muscle cramps in their tracks. Let's peel out! I will boost the heart rate and keep our stamina at maximum levels.
Stand behind me! My omega-3 healthy fats will shield the heart from any bad cholesterol attacks. I am dropping the blood sugar is stabilized.
Scanners indicate massive brain fog incoming. Activating anthocyanin force fields now. I have crossed the blood-brain barrier. Memory restored. Focus is locked onto the targets.
Broke hashtags. Liver factory protocols are fully engaged. My sulforaphane armors and sweeping the free radicals out of the sector! Fools! You cannot defeat my irresistible cravings. I will exhaust the human by 2 p.m. A-Veggers Assemble. Combine your veggie.
Sending a surge of clean, fiber-backed energy right up the center lane.
Catching the energy and slowing it down. No sugar spikes on my watch.
Firing antioxidant lasers, neutralizing the free radicals before they damage the DNA.
Detox wave released! Flushing the Empress with love!
Deploying the final blow, melatonin dust to force the Emperor into a deep, deep sleep. I am so tired. The crash is happening to me. Not bad for a bunch of fruits and veggies, right? High five, Brock!
Brock only gives high fiber fives!
We may come from different aisles of the grocery store, but together we are an unstoppable diet.
And we will always be ready when the cravings strike. Just call our name. Fuel your body with the A-Veggers, and you will have super strength every single day. Hit that subscribe button to join our superhero team. See you in the next mission!